Hi everyone, just want to share my excitement with you today as I open the 6th edition of Pendragon, the core rulebook that I just got today. This is a very much Knights of the Round Table, Arthurian legend type setting where you play as a medieval knight. You can hear that nice book creak sound. Ooh, literally haven't opened before. This is one take, just quickly going to show you. It has a lot of great medieval artwork. You play through the entire lifetime of a knight as they learn to love and to vanquish and to deal with moral dilemmas and live for honor and glory. And doing this with one hand is impossible, but there's lots of rules in here, very, very juicy. Maybe this is just a sneak peek. Check out Pendragon. I have the starter set, and this captures. Ooh, that's a beautiful bit of artwork. Captures the Arthurian medieval legends better than anything I've ever seen. And I'm so excited to work my way through this. Great new RPGs that I may or may not get around to running. Who knows? But I'm excited to read it, and it's a really beautiful book. Same artwork at the back. What kind of knight will you become? And I have the Game Master's Guide on the way as well that has been released within the last month. That book should arrive in hopefully a few weeks. Very excited. Take care all. Bye.